it is not a secret that I am a banana lover. This is why I'm sharing with you my recipe for the banana oatmeal muffins. They are very easy to make, they are very delicious, they are packed with fiber, and they are super healthy. Hey guys, welcome to Wonuola Cooks. My name is Wonuola, and you already know the recipe, so let's dive into it. To begin with, add some rolled oats and almonds into your food processor and toast them for a few times. The almonds are optional, but they are highly recommended. If you don't have almonds, you can use any nut of your choice, and if you don't like it, you can leave it out. I don't blend mine into smoke, I just toast them a few times just to process it a bit. Next, add in some whole wheat flour, add some baking soda, add salt and some brown sugar. With a spatula or any spoon, mix all of the dry ingredients together and leave it aside. It's pretty easy, it's super easy. I'm going to leave a list of all ingredients and measurements in the description box of this video, so don't forget to check out the description box, okay? For this recipe, I like to use very ripe bananas. So if I have some bananas at home and they are getting spoiled or they are getting brown, I don't mind because I know it's time to make oatmeal muffins. So this is how ripe I like the bananas. The riper they are, the better for this recipe, and the less sugar I had. So it's just perfect for me when the bananas are ripe. So I'm just adding the bananas into my bowl, and I'll go in with my potato masher and mash the bananas. You can also use a fork, just mash the bananas. So next, add in some vanilla essence. If you have some banana essence, it is just perfect for this recipe. Add in some melted butter, add in Greek yogurt, and add in some eggs. I'm using 3 eggs. Don't forget the list of all ingredients is in the description box, so check it out. I usually mix the egg together just to ensure that it will be well incorporated in my mixture. So I'm just mixing all of the wet ingredients together and it's almost done. My muffins are almost ready. Just keep watching, okay? Mix all of the dry and wet ingredients together properly, and I also like to add some chia seeds to this mixture just to boost the fiber content in my muffins. This is totally optional, but if you like it, you can also add some chia seeds, or you add any seeds of your choice. If you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, please share this video with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I have lined my cupcake pan and I'm distributing the batter gently into the pan. I'll be placing this in the oven to bake for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and our muffins are almost ready, but please keep watching to see the outcome of these muffins. Muffins are ready. As you can see, we already had 2, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I'm just going to show you. You can see how moist. Okay, this is my favorite part. good. And I love them because they are very healthy. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and